Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Learning Hunt.
Today we will see that the outline property, that how can you deal with your outline over your border. So let's start today's topic. So as you know, in the previous video I create here a heading with border. Okay, so here is my Visual Studio Code here, and this is my HTML page. So in this heading I apply here the outline property. Okay, so you can apply the outline property like your border. Just at first you have to give the outline width. After just like I want to give the outline that is 2.5 rem. Okay, now outline style. After the width, what type style you want your outline, just like I want the solid. Okay, now after that, the outline style you have to give the color. Okay, so outline color I want blue, just like. Now save this file and refresh your page. Here you can see that your outline is showing over your border. Okay, so in you can also write your code with a single line, just like your border property. Okay, so I make this comment line here. Now I just write the outline. Okay, here outline here. Now in the single code you can give the, at first you have to give the width, just how many width you want, just like I give here the 2 pixel. Okay, now after giving the outline you have to give the space and then style. In what style you want your outline, just like I want solid, or you can also give the dashed here. Okay, now after that you have to give the color, just like I give here the black. Okay, now save this file and refresh your page. Here you can see that your outline is become a dashed. Okay, but it is over your border, it is applied over your border. You can also give the outline offset property here. So outline offset property I want to give just like 10 pixel. Okay, now save this file and here you can see that your outline is increased with the 10 pixel. Okay, you can also give the negative value here, so it take the negative value and decreases. It's come here in the border, inside the border, as you can see that. So in that way you can adjust your outline. So let's create an input box here to see what is the outline correctly. Okay, so at first I have to create here the div element here. Now in the div element I write here just like my name. Now I create here an input box. Okay, now save this file and refresh my page. Here you can see that my name and my input box is showing here. Now I just increase the size of my font style, so I just write here the div element. Here in my style tag here I applied here the internal CSS. Okay, so in the div section I write here that is font size is 30 pixel. Okay, now when I refresh my page, now you can see that my name is increases. Now in that way I can give here after input I increase also the height and width of the input box, that is I give the width is 200 pixel and height will be 30 pixel. Okay, now save this file and refresh your page. Here you can see that your box is increases. Now you can see that your box color, your input border here is light dark. Okay, but when you click this, then it's become a more darker than the previous one. So this is called the outline. In that you can also apply here the outline, just like outline property. I give here the outline property that is 0.2 rem. Okay, now I give here the solid and I give here blue. Okay, now save this file and refresh your page. Now you can see that your outline is become a blue. Now I apply here the outline option to see what is the outline. I just right here the 10 pixel my outline. Now as you can see that our outline is increases with the 10 pixel. Now when I click this input box, then it's not become a darker as its previous happening. Okay, so this is the outline. Okay, you can also decrease the value and adjust according to your choice. Okay, so in that way you can create your outline. You can adjust your outline according to your choice here. Okay, so this is the totally about the outline. Now there is one more tag I want to share with you, that is the cursor pointer. Okay, so this is the cursor property here. Sorry, just a second. I apply here in my heading. I just remove this outline offset. Okay, now I save this and refresh my page. Here you can see that when I take my cursor on the heading, then it's an arrow. Okay, now when I apply here the cursor pointer, cursor pointer. Now I save this file and refresh my page. Then when I take over my cursor on my heading, then it's become a hand. It's point that text. So you can also apply this cursor pointer. Okay, so this is for today. If you learn something today, then give a thumb, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get more video like that.